update on my USB. I put it in here, so it works. Yeah. Now, the way that mine works is, I've got a wire directly into the battery. So if I want to use it, I put the plug in. It takes 2 minutes to lift up the seat, put the plug in. Then I'm not using it, take the plug out, take the fuse out. Otherwise, you've got to pay someone to find out which wires are live, which ones are not live when the ignition is on, and wire in a relay system, or your battery drains. Now, if it's too much effort to lift your seat up and do it my cheap way, which is straight into the battery, then what you can do is go and get yourself a 50p waterproof switch or button from a DIY shop. They're really cheap, really basic. It's one wire in, one wire out, or 2 in, 2 out. All you've got to do, find your wires for a USB cable, cut them, and wire in your switch. This way you've got a button. Push the button once, the wire is live. Push it again, the wire is dead. This way you're not draining the battery. The reason I don't do it is because I don't use the USB that much. But it's also, you want to make sure you have your switch underneath here or somewhere hidden. Otherwise some of those shit will come along and push the button. And you'll come back and find you've got a drained battery.